Hello everyone, so today we'll be talking about using if, else and elif in Python. It is a very important part in Python, so let's get started. And today for the first time we'll be using Pycharm. So those of you who haven't watched my video yet on how to download and install Pycharm can watch it. It's the 6th number video in the playlist of Python tutorials. So I'll be switching to presentation mode, and make sure your toolbar is ticked in the appearance menu so that you can get all these run and debugging options like a toolbar. So now if, else and elif, I'll enter the presentation mode first. So it is really useful. For example, you have a variable named marks and set its value equal to 50, and you have to check for a particular condition. Like, I'll give you example. If marks is equal to is more than 34 and apply a colon, it's part of its syntax, and press enter. See, it gives automatic some space here after if. So that's an important part in Python. That's the indentation. So everything that falls in this space is under this if condition. So if I press backspace, then this part is not under this if statement, but after again pressing enter, and if my cursor is here, so everything I write here will be under this if condition. So I'll print if marks is more than 34, you pass the exam, and press enter. And let's see if it's working. Shift plus F10 to run, and it's printed you passed the exam because our marks were 50, and we checked if marks are greater than 34, then print you passed the exam. Now let's check for another case. If our marks is 30, so now run the program, and it printed nothing because we did not specify anything if marks were less than 34. Now let's check how if condition will work for strings. Suppose we have a name equal to PC, and we have to check if name is, we'll write PC. So it's really easy to understand that if condition is here, name is the name of the variable, is PC, that is equal to PC, then apply this colon, print hi PC. Let's see if it works. Shift plus F10 to run. It has printed hi PC. Now if our name is not PC, if our name is my name, so we can check if it's working or not, and it print nothing here. So we have no condition for our name is equal to my name. So now what we can do is apply elif condition. Elif name is name, print hi name, elif, control C, is equal to my name, print my name. So let's see what it will do now. It has printed hi my name because first it checked if name is PC. This condition was not satisfied, so it moved to the next line. So what elif statement do is, if you want to write more than one condition, you apply elif statement. So elif name is name, this condition was also not satisfied, so it checked for the last elif statement that elif name is my name. This condition was satisfied, so it printed hi my name. So last thing we have to learn is else statement. So what does else do? So if neither of these statement is true, if neither of this condition is true, then we have to print something like print user does not exist. and we'll change the name to Adam, and let's see what happens now. And it has printed user does not exist, because first it checked all of our conditions, all the if conditions and elif conditions, and when it saw neither of the condition is satisfied, it went for the else statement, and in our else we wrote user does not exist. So I hope everything is quite clear in case of if, elif and else. We'll be talking a lot about if, else and elif in future, because it is really useful while you're programming. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you like this, please hit the like button below. If you have any doubt regarding if, else or elif, write in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.